Hello students, now our topic is female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviduct or fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina. The ovaries are two almond-shaped structures lying on either side of vertebral column behind the kidneys. The function of ovaries are production of eggs, or you can say ovum, and secretion of female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. These hormones help in the development of uterus, fallopian tube and vagina, and the appearance of secondary female characteristics, sexual characteristics which we studied in our previous videos, regular menstrual cycle, development of mammary glands and changes during pregnancy that we'll study in our next videos. Students, when a child is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs. On reaching puberty, some of these eggs start maturing. Normally, one mature egg is released every month by one of the ovaries. After these ovaries, there is fallopian tube or oviduct. This are fallopian tube and oviduct. They carry egg from ovary to the uterus. This is uterus part. Each oviduct is about 12 centimeter long. The ovum released from ovary enters into this fallopian tube, and this egg is moved from oviduct to uterus. This is uterus. This is hollow, thick-walled, muscular organ. It is located in the lower abdomen. The function of the uterus is to nurture the developing baby for about 9 months before birth. The lower portion of uterus is constricted. It is known as cervix. The uterus opens into the vagina through this cervix. The thick muscular wall of uterus is nutritive, highly vascularized. This is called endometrium. Then is vagina. The sperms enter the uterus through vagina. It is elastic, tubular, canal-like structure. It is a passage for the menstrual flow. It is the copulatory organ for females. It is termed as birth canal because it is through this passage the baby is born. So students, in female reproductive system, you have to remember, you have to keep in mind about these ovaries. This is the primary sex organs. It serves two functions. It produces ovum, or you can say egg, and two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which helps in occurring the secondary sexual characters in females. Okay.